Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to set up Angular on your system. Before creating an Angular project, we need to install some tools. In this video we will understand how we can install these tools in your system. Along with installation of these tools, in this video we will also learn about Angular NPM and what is Angular CLI tool. After installation of these tools, we will create and understand about Angular Workspace, Angular application and Angular library. So let us know what are these tools and how you can download these tools in your system. First of all, we need to install Node.js. While we are installing Node.js in your system, the npm automatically install with Node.js. Angular works on Node.js, so this step is very important. So to install Node.js, go to the browser, type here node-js, press enter. Go to this website node.js.org. Press here at this button. From here you can download the Node.js version according to the Angular version. If I am using Angular 16 version, so the supportive Node.js version will be version 18 or version 16. It will installed with npm. So if you are using Windows, you can select here your operating system. So if you want to install version 18, select here, scroll below and click at this button, Windows installer. After that, you can easily install Node.js in your system by pressing the next button. If you have trouble while installing the Node.js, you can get help with AI tool like ChatGPT or Gemini AI. To check the installed Node.js version, to check whether Node.js installed successfully or not, we open command prompt, type here cmd, press OK. Here you need to type this command, node space dash v for version. Press enter. You can check here, I have already installed version 18. You can check here the npm version 2 by this command npm space dash v, which is 10.8.0, which is already installed with Node.js version 18. Now, what is the next tool? This is Angular CLI, which we will need to install. Here in this image, you can see I have installed Angular 16, which is Angular CLI version 16.2.16. So to install Angular CLI in your system, go to the browser, type here Angular CLI. At this website angular.dev, click here. Get started. This is the command here. To install the Angular CLI, open a command terminal window and run the following command. This is the command npm install-g/cli. Copy this command from here. Go to the command prompt terminal. Type here that command, npm install-g @angular-cli will install Angular CLI framework globally in your system. It will install the latest CLI version in your system. But if you want to install a specific Angular version, you need to write here at the rate, like if I want to install 16 version, so we can write here 16. Otherwise we can press the enter like this. So I am not pressing the enter button because I have already installed Angular CLI version 16. So to check the installed version of CLI, we have a command ng for Angular. This is related to Angular. ng space version version. Press enter. You can see here Angular CLI version, Node version, package manager, npm version. This shows operating system. And here below, these are the packages which initially required to install Angular application. Now let's talk about the next tool. This tool is for code editing, like where we write our code, programming code. We have to install VS Code, which is the best code editor in the world. To install VS Code editor, go to the browser, type here VS Code, press enter. From this website, you can get this and download in your system. Download for Windows. Now, after installation of these tools, we will learn about Angular Workspace. Angular Workspace is a container that contains many files like angular.json, package.json, and tsconfig.json. A workspace can be created with or without an application or library. We need to create Angular workspace with any project because all of our application or code will be write in Angular workspace. So here I am here in C drive of system. I have created a learning Angular folder here, which is empty till now. So create Angular workspace. We need to open our command prompt. So to open command prompt, so to create new workspace here in this empty learning Angular folder. Here in this address bar we type cmd. This will open new cmd terminal where we can create our Angular workspace. Here in our command terminal, when we write ng new, and here we can write our workspace name. Let us take my workspace name. So first we will create my workspace without an application. By default, if I press enter here, it creates a workspace with a application inside it. So first we create without any application. We need to write here create hyphen application equal to false and press enter button. This workspace has been ongoing created by npm with the help of npm. This video is getting too long, so we will cover npm and Angular CLI tool in the next video. We will understand in deep. Also, we will understand the code part, like how we can create new Angular component. We will learn all of these in next video. After installing or creating this my workspace, I will create another workspace and then we will compare both of them. We will compare the file of both of workspace. It is successfully installed. Here you can see my workspace with name my work has been created successfully. It has size 159 MB. Let's open it. It has by default no Angular application inside it. So it is only a workspace. So to add Angular application here, we need to add another command in our command prompt. Here in this node modules folder is installed many packages inside it. These packages installed by npm. There are so many packages. We will understand npm in next video. Okay, now first create another workspace with Angular application. Go to the command prompt. We are in the same folder, learning Angular. Now let us create another workspace with default application. ng new my work 1 and press the enter button. So it is asking one question: would you like to add Angular routing? Currently we will not Angular routing here. So press N SCSS, choose, you can choose any of one here. I am simply choose this CSS file. Press enter. Here you can see npm is creating more packages than the workspace we have created before. It has more files inside it as compared to the previous workspace. After installation of this workspace, we will install manually application. We will create application manually in previous workspace, which is my work. After this, I will show you that. Also, we will create libraries in the same workspace, which has no application inside it. Here you can see while installing packages via npm, the my work 1 has been created along with the installation of node modules folder. It also has a src folder too, and you can notice here this has more files than the previous one. It does not have src folder in it. Inside this my work 1, this src folder has much more files or folders. It is currently installing. We will later cover all these files in the upcoming videos. These are most important to run our Angular application. This will be the fun application that will be running on the browser. And main.ts file. This file is the root file. Sorry, entry point of the Angular application. Now package is installed successfully. So in this my workspace, we will be adding one or two application by the command. We can add here one or more or multiple Angular application or projects. Now go to the CMD. So we need to add new application inside this my work folder. So first we need to go in this folder, cd my work. Now this command will create new application inside this folder, ng genera generate application space application name. Let we take my app and press the enter button. You can simply here write here G only instead of generate. Here, would you like to share pseudonymous usage data about the Angular team? So we can share or we cannot share. It is your choice. So press N here. Would you like to add Angular routing here? No, not yet. We will talk this concept later. CSS. So npm is installing packages which are required to install new Angular app in same workspace. Here you noticed the projects folder has been created while CMD is running. This projects folder contain my app name application, which has the same file which are required to run an Angular application. So we can add multiple projects in this projects folder. Package is installed successfully. The application has been created inside the my workspace. The name of this application is my app, which is currently size as 25 kilobyte only. Okay. So if you want to create or generate another application inside the same my workspace, you have to write the same command again, ng generate application my app 1. Press enter button. Now it is asking the same question again. Package is installed successfully. So here you can check in the projects folder we have created two applications. So it means we can create multiple applications inside the same workspace. So here this video is getting long. So we will cover the npm and CLI tool in the next video. But here first we open my work one in our code editor, which is VS Code. So to open the code editor, VS Code, we simply write here code space dot and press the enter button. Thanks for watching. VS Code is asking us, do you trust the authors of this file in this folder? Yes, I trust the authors. Okay.